120 emails. That's the average number of marketing emails your subscribers see every single day. The problem isn't attention, it's relevance. People blame subject lines, copy, timing, and yes, those things matter. But even great emails fail when there's no system behind them. If you're collecting emails, sending one welcome message, and then randomly blasting campaigns whenever you feel like it, sorry to say, that's not a system, that's noise. What you need is a flow, a journey. From the moment someone joins your list to the moment they buy. This is why, instead of guessing, you need to guide them. When someone joins your list, don't just drop them into randomness. Welcome them properly. Set expectations. Give them time to explore your content or product. Then, track what they do. Did they open? Great. Send something deeper. Didn't open? No problem. Try again with a different angle. Give them some time to engage. Then, follow up with something stronger, like a case study or a success story. And when the timing is right, present your offer. Now, your emails aren't random anymore. They're guiding people step by step. But this only works if you need to know the difference between a visitor and a VIP. Think about it. If you send a 20% off discount to someone who just paid full price yesterday, you aren't just losing money, you're losing credibility. That's bad marketing. And the fix is simple. Segmentation. For instance, when someone buys a product, they're no longer just a subscriber. They become a customer. And that completely changes how you communicate with them. Let me show you how this works in a real setup. With Fluent CRM working alongside Fluent Cart, you get triggers for almost every customer action. When someone completes a purchase, you can trigger an automation instantly. You can even target specific products or apply it to all orders. Then, just apply a tag like customer, and now every completed order is automatically organized. From there, you can set up conditions like lifetime value or previous purchases and trigger the next step in your funnel. This way, your emails are based on what people actually did, hyper-targeted, and resonate with their needs. No wild guesses. And since we're talking about segmentation, let me share a quick tip that can seriously boost your revenue. In some scenarios, people click your email, check your offer, and that clearly shows that they're interested in your business or service. But if they leave, you'll lose them. That's a huge missed opportunity. Instead of using a generic link, you can use Smart Link to track all clicks on autopilot. Set it up in seconds and drop it inside your email content. From there, whenever someone clicks on the link, they get tagged instantly. And right away, you can trigger the next step. Another email, a follow-up offer, or even a full funnel. But here's the important part. Every automation should have a purpose. Whether you're running an agency or an online store, you should always know what result you are trying to achieve. Because the moment that goal is reached, your emails should stop. This is exactly where Fluent CRM makes things smarter. You can build goal-based automations like a pro. Simply define the win, like a specific tag being applied, or an order paid, or even a link clicked, and the system handles the rest. Once that goal is achieved, the automation pulls them out of the sales loop automatically. With that, instead of guessing what to do next, you're responding to real behavior, real actions, and real data. So here's the takeaway. If your emails aren't converting, it's not a copy problem, it's a structural problem. Fix your system, and your emails will start converting. To skip the complexity and build this entire system inside WordPress, you can rely on Fluent CRM. It's simple, powerful, and a complete package for scaling the marketing game without any stress. For more beginner-friendly breakdowns that actually get to the point, make sure you're subscribed to WPManageNinja. Let's get those click rates up.